Don't do it, Tyrell. Don't do it. Don't do it, Tyrell. I'm going downstairs into the shed. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Holy crap. You okay? Okay? Crap's dead. Need more cake for me? Okay, Ty's twin brother, Sly, became a zombie. I thought it was Ty at first, but then I realized his shoes were gray and not brown. There he is.